Hi everyone and welcome to my video, How to Avoid AI Detection with ChatGPT. These are insider tips that is new for 2024. I'm going to show you, I just made a quick blog post, what would be a blog post using ChatGPT, the older model here. I am a ChatGPT Plus member, I do have the GPT-4, but I'm using 3.5 just for demonstration purposes because a lot of you are not going to have the upgraded version, which is $20 a month. So I'm creating some text using the older model, ChatGPT 3.5 version. And I'm going to show you how to avoid AI detection with ChatGPT using this model and passing AI detection. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me find the post here. This is the one I put together. It's called Humanizing AI Text, Strategies for Passing AI Detection. And we're going to copy this whole little post here. Copy it. Then we're going to go over to a tool that I have been a paying customer of. It's dirt cheap and it's extremely useful. It is called Undetectable AI. And if you like what you see, the link is going to be directly below in the video description box, along with a link to my free course on AI and how to make ChatGPT content using GPT-4 undetectable. So if you're interested in any of these two, click on the links in the video description box. All right, we're in Undetectable AI here. We're going to paste that little article I created. It's almost 500 words. And we're going to check for AI. There's a check for AI button. You got to agree to the terms. Put a check mark in here. And then if it's detected as AI, you can humanize it. I'm going to show you that next. So we're going to click check for AI. Your content is detected as written by AI. As you can see, obviously ChatGPT created it, so it's right. It detected it as written by AI. How do we fix this problem? That's the next question that we need to be solved. We're going to fix it using this tool, and I'm going to show you how. Super cool tool. You got two things here. You got a readability and a purpose of your writing. I'm going to go through each one of these two, and then I'm going to show you how to humanize this content, where it's going to pass all AI detectors that are out there on the market, and then you can publish this content on your blog, and it's not going to be detected as AI content. It's going to be detected as human, so which is what you want. You got for the readability, you got high school reading level, university, doctorate, journalist, or marketing. So that's all going to depend on what you're writing, who it's for, who your audience is for, and all that good stuff as to what readability level you choose. Purpose, general writing, essay, article, marketing material, story, cover letter, report, business material, or legal material. So any of these, you just select whatever one you want. Paste your content in here that was created using ChatGPT or any other large language model similar to ChatGPT, any other AI language model. Paste that content in here. Click the check for AI. It was already detected as written by AI. Now we're going to want to humanize this content. So we're going to click that humanize button. Estimated queue time, 32 seconds. It's usually a lot faster than that, so it's already done. See all those green check marks at the bottom there? It says detection likelihood. It passes all of them. GPT-0, pass. OpenAI, pass. Writer, pass. Cross-Plag, pass. CopyLeaks, pass. Sapling, pass. Content at scale, pass. Zero GPT, pass. So it passes all of them. It's detected as human content now. And now what we're going to do again, this is another cool feature they just added on. You can humanize again, even though it's passing everything. If you want to do it again, I usually use this twice. You can do it for free. And it's going to make it even better. So we're going to wait here a few seconds, and it's done. And here's the post. Strategies for making AI text appear human. Tips to pass AI detection. In the world of technology and artificial intelligence, there is a growing concern about humanizing AI-generated text. As AI algorithms advance, so do the detection systems designed to identify machine-generated content. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or simply interested in the field of AI, it is crucial to know strategies that can make your AI-generated content sound more human while staying within ethical boundaries. This article aims to explore those strategies. See how well written it is? And this is going to pass AI detection. Very cool tool to have. All you do is copy the output, go over to WordPress or wherever you're blogging or wherever you're using this content for, just paste it in. You're good to go. It's going to read as human. None of the AI detectors out there are going to pick it up as AI-generated content, including Google. So this is a very good tool just to make your content a little better and more human-like. And that's that. I don't want this video to get too long. I just want to take you through a rundown of Undetectable AI and how to make your content more human-like to pass that AI detection that so we don't get hit in the algorithms. We don't know if Google's penalizing it or not. One minute they say one thing, the next minute they do another, so you never know. Better be safe than sorry. That's my motto. So I like using this tool. And it also helps you with your writing and anything else. If you got schoolwork or obviously you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, you're writing sales copy, whatever it may be, this will help you out. Great deal. So if you want to check this out for yourself, there is a sale going on. And it is cheap. It's not super expensive, so you don't have to worry about that, about the price being a price issue. Click that link directly below in the video description box. And like I said before, I have a 1 hour long video that shows you how to create content that passes AI detection using just GPT-4. This tool is handy regardless, but I can show you how to do it with just using GPT-4 with ChatGPT. And what I usually do, like, readability level I have, the content writing style and all that stuff I pick, and some tips, some prompts I use and all that good stuff. It's very useful. And if you're a blogger, you're going to want to get your hands on it because it'll give you some good tips that you can apply within your own business. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you did. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. I appreciate that too. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.